In this video, I'll show you how to create new messenger account using your messenger app. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. At first, you need to have the messenger application here on your device, right? So if you're using your Android or your smartphone, this is going to work out well for you. So we are currently using our iPhone, so I'm going to just go to the app. I'm going to open it. I'm going to click on the create account. So we're going to click on create new account. So I'm going to be able to enter this required details. So I can just let me say tutorial guide. Click on next. So I'm going to just select any of this. This is just a tutorial video. So let's click on next. So I'm going to select my own option. So I'm going to just use the mail. I'm going to click on next. Then I'm going to be able to add up these required details, right? So once I've added it up, you're going to be able to click on the next. So you can also as well sign up with an email address. So I think I'm going to be using the second option. So I'm going to do this, right? And we're going to continue from where we stopped. Okay, so this was the final option that came out. So when it's once it reaches the last stage, what you need to do, you're going to be able to use your email or your number to sign up. So I think I'm using our email. So this is what is going to come out at the end of it. So I'm going to be able to click on the continue creating account. So because this is an educational video, I'm not going to be able to create it now currently. I'm just showing you how you can be able to do that if you love to create a new messenger account for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. I will see you on the next video.